Mid-side decoding is the process that complements and inverts mid-side encoding that we've looked at previously. Before, we took our stereo audio signal with the left channel and right channel, we processed it in a way to recover a mid-channel and a sides channel. Now what we're going to do is take our encoded signals, the mid and the sides channels, combine them together to recover a new left channel and right channel. Again, the process will involve using the sum and difference operations. So let's take a look at how we can perform mid-side decoding. In a previous video, we started this script in MATLAB called MS Processing. Initially, we import in a stereo audio file, then separate it into left and right channels. At that point, we were able to perform mid-side encoding to recover a separate sides channel from the mid channel. Then we have this section in our code that we left blank. This is where we're going to process these two different signals independently. There's all kinds of different processing that we could do here, from just changing their relative amplitude to performing different types of equalization, compression, or distortion. Finally, what we have to do is put everything back together again. We have to take the new processed versions of the sides and mid and then recover new left and right channels. At that point, once we have the separate mono left and right, we can put it all back together into a stereo signal. And that's the whole process of mid-side decoding. So here, if we'd like to recover our left and right, so let's call this new left. This is going to be where we add together the mid plus the sides. So we're going to perform summing here. And then what we're going to do is create the new right. This is going to be, we subtract off the mid minus the sides. Now we have two separate mono signals. What we have to do is put them back together. So we'll create the new signal, which is going to be where we have the new left that we concatenate. Here we'll use the comma, so that we're going to put these two signals side by side in separate columns. And then we'll use the new right. Now, it's just a matter of going in here, putting in new signal. We should be able to recover our original signal and play it back as a stereo drum recording. So that demonstrates the complete loop then of performing mid-side encoding and mid-side decoding. Really all that's left is to come up with creative ways of doing the processing in between these two different steps.